how to record audio on any Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can record audio on any Android device. Now on Android device, it is an inbuilt feature. You might be able to see a recorder on your device, but if you're unable to see the recorder option, then what you can do is just simply head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in recorder, or you can just type in audio recorder. After that, you'll be able to see multiple applications that's available. Now I already have an inbuilt feature, so what you need to do is, in order to record an audio on any Android device, first of all search for a recorder on your device and it's gonna show you this. So if you're sure about it, then click on the agree button. So after that, it's gonna ask you to make some changes with your agreement or the permission. Just go ahead and tap on the allow button if you want to do it. So now you can see this is the particular audio recorder. So in order to record an audio, you can see right at the bottom, right in center, there's this red dot icon. So in order to turn it on, you'll need to tap on it, and you do not need to hold on it. You can just tap once, and after that you can keep on recording the audio. And once you're done recording the audio, tap on the tick button located right at the bottom. Now if I turn it on, you might not be able to hear my voice, so I'm just gonna try for some times. Okay, let's go with this one. So as you can see that I'm already recording the screens. I'll not be able to do it unless I close this program. So as already mentioned, all you have to do is just tap on the red dot button right at the bottom. After that, it's gonna show you the recording right over here. This green vertical line is gonna move across, and that's gonna indicate that recording is taking place. And in order to stop it, as already mentioned, tap on the red pause button, and after that you've successfully stopped recording. And if you want to make some changes with the recording, go to the gear icon from the bottom left, and here you can see this kind of information. So you can just go through all of these and you can make changes accordingly. After that, if you want to see the recorded audio, tap on this three lines icon in the bottom right hand side corner. Here you'll be able to see the list of recording that you've made. So this is basically how you can use audio recorder on any Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.